At Lake of the Ozarks, a view like this is hard to beat. Welcome to our newest listing here at the Palisades. With 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,200 square feet, turnkey, a garage, and a boat slip, this condo is a complete package. For more information or to schedule a tour, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.